Bass boys, we fish for a living.
Get some fish. We're gonna be getting some action now.
Alright guys, Bass Boys is back here. Okay, we're about halfway to our bridge spot. We're hoping that we can maybe catch some chubs and maybe some catfish, but I was gonna use the chub if I caught one. I try to catch
A pike with
any pike or any other bass, big bass in here, because we definitely saw some big fish jumping in there last time. So we'll get back to you guys when we're actually under the bridge, and we will see you then. Bass Boys out. Okay guys, we're here now, and see we're in the same spot we were the last time. Okay, so let's do some river fishing.
probably cats over there.
Fish. Okay guys, we'll see you in a little bit. We're getting set up.
Here, look guys, I finally caught my fucking first bullhead today. Been pissed the whole time because I haven't caught one yet, and I finally caught my bullhead again, just like I caught the other day.
Make sure you're watching the bobber.
I have freaking 2 poles.
I'm gonna hold yours now. Give me it. Here, wait a minute.
Uh-oh. Oh.
That's the thing, kid.
Oh, really?
It's the other fish moving around. You'll know. Oh my god, it popped off.
Yeah, okay.
These are good to eat too.
My first fish, a creek chub.
So Ryan just got a creek chub.
My first creek chub.
So there it is, guys, right there. It's like a big minnow, I think. I'm not sure if this is actually what minnows are, but this is just like a bigger minnow. Alright guys,
Just caught my second
Ryan
creek
just
chub.
caught another creek chub in that area over there. Same area as he just caught another one, so he has 2 of these so far, and I have 1 bullhead.
These are pretty cool to catch, these creek chubs.
But yeah, okay guys, so we'll see you after I get this hook out.
Should I end it?
Yeah, end the video. Wait a minute, it's recording. Alright, guys, we just caught a bullhead from yesterday, and we're here at night. So, let's see, Ryan, can you see the tripod over here?
God, right in front of us. Like right there.
I'm gonna put gloves on just because.
That's where Jake caught the bullhead, right in front of us.
I don't like to handle small, tiny catfish because we're definitely different. But we think this is what's jumping over here.
I didn't realize how small they are over here.
I feel his barbs.
Really?
Yeah, I have one on for fin right here. I just don't know if they can go through this glove. God, they're so freaking slimy. Where's that hook? Give me a. I'm not really holding them right now. I'm just holding them just because I got these thick gloves on. It's not really supposed to hold them. Oh, look at him. You see what he did? He shut his mouth. Now I can't open it. Idiot. God.
God, I can't believe it was right here. What? Right here. Right in front of us.
Stop flapping. God, I feel him. Feel the barbs. Stop doing
First
this.
fish of the day. Boy. Not gonna put that under detection of weedy since it happened yesterday. Here, look, guys, I finally caught my fucking first bullhead today. Been pissed the whole time because I haven't caught one yet, and I finally caught my bullhead again, just like I caught the other day.
Make sure you're watching the bobber.
I have freaking 2 poles.
I'm gonna hold yours now. Give me it. Here, wait a minute.
Uh-oh. Oh. Got it.
That's the thing, kid.
Oh, really?
It's the other fish moving around. You'll know. Oh my god, it popped off.
Yeah.
These are good to eat too. Bullhead. He can live out on the water for a pretty long time. But yeah, I'm just wearing this glove because this one's small. I actually got his barbs right now. If you guys can see, you guys are catching catfish ever? You know, they got barbs. Here, Ryan, you want to look at them? Right there. Right here. And that sticks out. That's what you don't want to get hit by. Catfish. So let's see if we can get this hook out. One problem I always have with catfish are they always seem to swallow the hook. This one didn't. I haven't had any swallow it yet. Just got it out. It always seems like it's stuck in catfish real good. But as you can see, my finger was right on the barb. And if I hadn't had gloves on right there, I would have been screwed. But I also wear gloves for these little tiny slimy catfish. So here we go, Ryan. Bullhead. Put your finger in his mouth.
No.
Hey, you guys want to put your finger in there? Get it pinched. There you go. There he goes. Well, I mean, I guess I could add that to tip of the week too. How to hold catfish and where to know where the barbs are. Yeah, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. So, guys, another bullhead catfish right in the middle here. As you guys can see, we're fishing underneath a bridge, as you guys know. But we were catching them over there before. There's, what do you call them? Creek chubs, and then bullheads in the middle. So hold on a minute and I'll get this unhooked and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, hi guys, Bass Boys here. We're walking back to the house now. And Ryan, what do you think of our day?
Today was a good day. Actually, today was better than a couple days ago with that river fishing. This is river fishing part 2. We caught 11 fish total, 3 creek chubs, and 8 catfish bullheads.
Yeah, so I thought it was a pretty good day, and we hope that we can catch some different fish next time. Maybe some bass. That'd be good. That's our name. But we'll take anything that we get now. It's like 45 degrees that you think right now? Pretty cold out. And we will see you guys later for our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button for us.